And welcome from a very rainy Norway. And that's a shame because today was actually our resting day, but we decided to just leave the beautiful Frafjord behind and go up to the next beautiful fjord because when it rains, you can better drive, right? I'm going to show you just how beautiful this area is because what you can really see is when we arrived in Norway, it was already breathtaking, beautiful. But now that we get more up, it gets more and more stunning. So enjoy some of the images we took yesterday at Frafjord, and then let's go to our next destination. And with us, we never know where we go. We just go.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry.
Guys, we arrived in Røldal. Now you might think, hey, I didn't see anything. Remember that from yesterday? Yes, I'm gonna talk you through what happened. Now, we were planning on taking a relaxing day today, but because it was raining, we decided, you know what, we're gonna drive a little bit up north, or up north. Now, it was a little bit of a longer drive than we anticipated, but we saw some amazing scenery, and, well, let me put it this way. In England, sometimes the roads are really narrow. So when we do the tours in England, we also take the RV, and sometimes it's a little bit scary. Multiply that by 1,000, and it was really scary on some parts. There were some cars that were almost hitting us, but just barely. But most of all, it went actually pretty good. I think because the locals already know that, hey, there are RVs. The thing that worried me a little bit was, you know those motorbikers, they go really fast. Well, there wasn't really room for even a motorbike to pass you. So when you go up the mountain, there are these little gaps where you have to stand and let other cars pass you. But that wasn't the only thing. Now look at this. absolutely saw that correctly. Sheep on the road. Well, I think it's the Norwegian way of making speed bumps. So, in other words, hey guys, this road is already dangerous, but let's throw in some sheep to really make sure that people don't drive too fast. So anyway, beautiful, beautiful scenery. And you could stop anywhere to take pictures. So here, take a look at some pictures we took along the road. And of course there were some beautiful rest areas where we even took out the drone for a little flight. Now, as an EV lover, electric vehicle, I absolutely love the way how many Teslas and other EVs you see in Norway. And we even passed some amazingly large charging stations, like 20 or 30 chargers. Hey, that's the way to go. Take notice other countries, because the infrastructure over here for electric cars is really nice. And I believe they give you a lot of discounts. So, hey, that's the way to get everybody in the EV, right? So we now arrived in Røldal. I hope I pronounced that correctly, probably Røldal. And we're gonna stay here for tonight. It's not a really interesting campground. So tomorrow we're gonna drive to a campground that is more interesting. But that's still an hour from here and it's already 6:30, so I wanted to take a little bit of a rest. And there we're gonna stay one extra day. So behind the closed doors from today will probably be the last in 2 or 3 days. And after that we go up further north to meet with a local guy who shows us around, including some glaciers. So it's going to be interesting. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button. But most of all, tell other people about it. If you really want to support our channel and see all the behind the scenes images, Annewiek chasing sheep and all that other stuff, and when we do the model photography again, all the lighting setups and everything more, join our Patreon. Patreon is awesome and you support our work too. Thank you so very much for watching, guys, and see you again next time. Bye bye.